I tried StoneX investing app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. I spent an entire week testing the StoneX investing app, and the experience was far more revealing than I expected. StoneX is known for its global trading and investment services, but how well does its mobile app perform for everyday investors? From the moment I logged in, I noticed the app prioritizes clarity and speed. The interface is clean with intuitive navigation for trading stocks, ETFs, and commodities. Most people get this wrong by assuming that a professional trading app has to be complex, but StoneX makes even advanced trading tools accessible to beginners. During my 7 days, I explored features like real-time market data, customizable watch lists, and order types including limit and stop-loss orders. The surprising truth? The app delivers professional-grade tools without overwhelming you with unnecessary jargon. I could also access in-depth charts and news feeds, which made it easier to track trends and make informed decisions. I experimented with small trades and transfers. Execution speed was impressive, and the confirmations and notifications helped me stay on top of my investments. One standout feature is the account overview, which gives a snapshot of balances, holdings, and performance metrics all in one place, something many investing apps fail to do effectively. However, it's not perfect. Some advanced reporting features are hidden behind the desktop platform, so if you're a power user looking for ultra-detailed analytics, you may need to supplement the app with a full web experience. In conclusion, StoneX investing app is ideal for investors who want a professional, reliable, and mobile-friendly platform. It strikes a balance between usability and advanced functionality, making it perfect for both beginners and intermediate traders. If you're looking to manage global investments on the go, StoneX is worth trying, but remember, for the deepest analytics, the desktop platform is still unmatched.